Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy from Temu using your iPhone. Whether you are looking for fashion, tech gadgets or home goods, I've got you covered with a simple, easy to follow guide. So let's get started. Find the Temu app, now open it. Now let's start shopping. Temu has tons of categories like electronics, clothing, beauty, home goods and more. You can also search it by tapping the name of the product you want, then search for the product. Now scroll through the app and find the product that you want to buy. Once you find it, tap on it for more details. From there you can choose size, color or quantity. Then tap on to go to cart. Now select the items that you want to buy. Don't forget the order has to be minimum of $10. After that, tap on to checkout. Next, you will need to enter your shipping address. This is where your order will be delivered, so make it sure all the details are correct, including your name, street address and phone number. Once you have entered everything, tap on to Save button. Now it's time to choose your payment method. Temu offers several options including credit or debit cards and many more. After choosing the payment methods, tap on to Submit Order and pay for the things that you just ordered. And that's it. That's how you buy on Temu using your iPhone. It's super easy and quick, and now you are all set to start shopping and getting your favorite items delivered right to your door. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.